Hello everyone. We already discussed about the Lord McLemods and Wood's report also. Now the Adams report. What Adam had played the role at that time in education. See, first of all, the introduction. Who was William Adam? William Adam presented 3 reports between 1835 and 1838, mainly known as Adams Report. He was appointed by the William Bentinck to survey the education condition in Bengal. On the basis of this survey, he has submitted first report in 1835 and second and third report in 1838. Adams' first report contains educational data. He has described about the elementary education condition in Bengal. He said approximate 1 lakh schools were functional at that time. School means the area where a person or the persons who teach certain number of children in return of fees. A family teacher means where from any member of the family like father who give education to their own kids, not to the locality. According to the Adam, there were at least 1 lakh school functional only in Bengal itself, and there was school for every 400 person. Some people said this report was false. If a family school or a local school is accepted, certainly there were 1 lakh school functioning in Bengal. This was the first report of the Adams. Now the Adams' second report. It is about the finding of the study of the Rajshahi district Thana. According to the report, the population of the area were approximately 2 lakh, 1,96,296, out of which 1,29,640 were Muslims, 29,296 were Hindus, and there were 485 villages in Nator Thana. There were 27 elementary schools in which 262 students were studied, in which 10 were Bengali schools, 4 Persian, 11 Arabic schools, and there were 1,588 families who were educated, 2,342 approximate in 238 villages. The average age of the admissions were 8 years, while leaving the school is 14 years. The average pay scale of the teacher 5.8 rupees per month. According to the Adams report, there were 38 Sanskrit colleges and there was no college for Muslims. The average admission in age was 11 years and completion was 27 years. The number of education of the adult was 6,121 and the male literacy rate was 6.1%. Overall is 3.1%. This was the second report of the Adams. Now the Adams third report. What Adams said in its third report: it was very difficult to examine physically or visit all the villages. It was based on the personal information. According to the third report, Adam summarized statistical data. The report contains 2 parts. In first part, it deals with statistics of Murshidabad, Birobin, Vrindavan, South Bihar. In second report, he proposed to reform the school. Main features of the report: Adams have identified different kinds of school like Arabic, Persian, Madrasis, vernacular, Pathshalas. They do not have building. They were run under the tree, temples or mosque. They were lack of printed books and stationery. They were used slates and pencils. No defined curriculum, no fixed timing for school according to the convenience was there. No time for admission, anytime anybody can join school. The parents are paid to the teacher or kind according to the convenience. In higher education, the senior students taught the junior, and there were no provision for the girls' education. Lack of teacher training. Schools are generally small, no vary to the 15. Lord Auckland educational policies. Afterwards, Adams report, Lord Auckland education policy has come. See, Orientalists opposed to the McClemanites. They presented report in Auckland increased the aid more than 1 lakh for spreading English education, and no action was taken on the Adams report. This was the Adams report. Kindly share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.